So my friends, I know you are in the race to become a Tissnet in 2022 and that's why you are preparing for the Tissnet, right? If you want to enter into the TISS, guys, this is the right time to do the analysis because it's time to evaluate whatever preparation you have done up till now. Guys, last few days are remaining and the D-Day is nothing but the 26th of Feb. Guys, remember this particular date, make your strategies accordingly. Only 20 days you have, okay? Only 20 days you have. So what should be the strategy to crack the Tissnet 2022? And now whatever preparation you have done, start writing the mock test, guys, and focus more on the GK part. So let's watch this particular video till the end. We'll talk about the mock versus GK booster, what mock will create and how you can score more marks in the GK and why it is necessary. So before moving further, we have launched a test specific YouTube channel named as Manoeuvre Education. So link given in the description. Kindly subscribe the channel because you will get lot more updates over here, and we already make several videos with respect to the program, so you can watch that particular video too, which particular program you are looking for. Now confusion, guys, which particular campus you have chosen, either Mumbai, Tuljapur, Hyderabad or the Guwahati campus, and you are well aware about that. Two campuses you can choose and three different programs. So might lot of students choose three programs, some of choose two programs, and some of the students choose only one program and from only one campus. Yes, so for these three programs or two or one program, whichever program you have choose, kindly watch my cutoff video with respect to all these programs, okay, all these schools or even the campuses. So now target 70 plus, okay, although 70 के ऊपर भी कट ऑफ जा सकता है, बट target 70 plus mark, okay, for any particular course and start preparation accordingly. जो भी preparation अब तक हुआ है guys, mock test दोगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कि complete evaluation क्या है, मैं किस हद तक पाने में हूँ और मुझे कितना अभी भी जाना है, अभी मुझे कितना रास्ता और तय करना है, ये कब पता चलेगा आपको, जब आप खुद का एनालिसिस करोगे. सो फॉर द एनालिसिस, वो इज द गेम चेंजर. जितना भी प्रिपरेशन आपने अब तक किया है, गेम कहाँ से चेंज हो सकती है. आइदर यू आर स्कोरिंग 50 प्लस मार्क्स और द 60 प्लस और इवन द 70 प्लस मार्क, जो भी आप मार्क्स स्कोर कर रहे हो, बट क्या टिस एग्जाम द डी डे, क्या वो प्रेशर आपके ऊपर रहेगा एंड यू आर स्कोरिंग लेस मार्क ओवर देयर? नो गाइज, आपको यहाँ और भी अच्छे मार्क्स स्कोर करने हैं. सो हु इज द गेम चेंजर? लेट्स फाइंड आउट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, start giving the mock test, and once you will give the mock test, you will be familiar about the paper pattern, although informations आपके पास है, but yes guys, live experience will make aware about the paper pattern, the question framing, question कैसे frame किए गए, how to decode that particular questions, what is the level of the each particular question, either it is easy, moderate or difficult or the advanced level questions. Section, now you will be aware about the sections, और sections कौन से आपके strong है, कौन से सेक्शंस आपके काफ़ी वीक है. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन फोकस मोर एंड यू विल नो योर स्कोरिंग एरिया. सो वंस जब एग्जाम स्टार्ट होगा, यू विल स्कोर मोर ओवर देयर. नाउ जीके जो आपका काफ़ी कम टाइम कंज्यूम करने वाला है, बट वेयर एग्जैक्टली यू हैव टू गिव दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम. अगर आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग सेक्शन लॉजिकल रीजनिंग है तो लॉजिकल रीजनिंग आप इजीली सॉल्व कर लोगे, बट यू हैव टू give that particular time to the quant section, and quant जहाँ आपको shortcut tricks सीखने काफ़ी ज़रूरी है. So guys, after that you can make your strategy, and that is nothing but my strategy how you can crack the Tissnet. So first do the preparation part, and after preparation, guys, just give one mock, and after giving one mock, let's do the analysis, how much time I consume, okay, how much I give the right answers, how much are incorrect, although there is no negative marking, but still how much are correct and how much are incorrect, and how to convert these incorrect marks into the correct ones to grab more marks in the Tissnet. So who exactly the game changer? The game changer is nothing but the general knowledge part, guys, because it has the sectional cutoff of 14 plus mark for the open category candidate, 12 for the OBC and 0 for the SC/ST. So if you are scoring 60 plus mark and आपके GK में only 13 marks है, that means you are not qualified for the second round. So guys, GK is the main game changer, and who will decide either you want to enter into the TISS or not. So that's why guys, start give the mock test and focus more on the GK part, the general knowledge and the करंट अफेयर्स पार्ट, क्योंकि यहाँ से मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस आपके पास आएंगे एंड यू विल रिक्वायर ओनली फ्यू मिनट्स टू अटेम्प्ट दीज 40 क्वेश्चंस, क्योंकि जीके आपका टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करने वाला है गाइस. देयर इज नो लॉजिक टू अप्लाई इन द जीके. ओके, बस अगर आपको आता है देन डेफिनेटली. सो व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट्स current affairs news or the GK questions that might be asked in the Tissnet 2022. So let's visit the official website where you will find the mock test which is 100% compatible with the TISS and the general knowledge part, the most expected questions in the Tissnet 2022. So come over here, manoeuvreedu.com, then come to the buy online section and just scroll down, click over TIS entrance. Guys, these all are the packages, the full course, book study materials, mock tests and the sectional course. Once you will click the full course, you will get the respective packages for your exam. For 2022 turbo, you will get this particular plan. Now in this you will get 25 full length mock tests. If you are preparing for 2023, then you can enroll for the same, and the mini pack 10 mock tests, video lectures and the handouts. Now books or study materials, you can get the access for the ebooks, mock tests. As I said guys, it is very important. Tissnet 2022 10 sectional tests and 25 full length mock tests. So start now giving the mock test. If you want to do the analysis based on the topic, then guys you can get access for the topic test mentioned over here and the Tissnet 2022 mock test, the full length mock test, 10 mock tests guys you will get here. Okay, so if you are lacking in any particular section, then come over sectional course and you can enroll for the same, the quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, English verbal ability, static GK and current affairs, TIS, DI, DS and DC. So guys, as I said, once you will give the mock test, you will be familiar with the complete pattern, strong sections, weak zones, everything, and the general knowledge, who is the game changer. So if you want to enter into the TISS, focus more on these two parameters guys, GK and current affairs and the mock test for the complete analysis. So that's it guys, and now we have launched the Tissnet workshop, and which is known as the Tissnet heist. So you can enroll for the same, link given in the description, and if you have any doubts and queries, then guys ask me in the below comment section. We'll try to answer all of your queries. So let's start the preparation with us. We have started with classroom coaching at Mumbai. So wanna preparation for 2023, call on respective numbers and book your seat right now. For Pan India students, you can call on respective number or you can visit our website. For all exam updates and notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's all guys, all the best for your career. See you in the next video.